AMT with both petrol as well as diesel engines. Friends, at Hyundai, we are committed to offer our customers a perfect third space experience for spending their quality time. The smart
Well, so Hyundai just launched the all-new Aura. It's standing behind me, and there's a host of other journalists as well. Now, in terms of the pricing, this car starts from around 5.7 lakh rupees. Ex-showroom for the base 1.2 petrol, and you also get a 1.2 diesel, which is a 3-cylinder unit. And there's also a top-of-the-line 1-liter turbocharged petrol, which makes 100 bhp, and that one costs well over 9 lakh rupees. In fact, it comes very close to 10 lakh rupees. These prices are across India, and there's of course the special pricing right now. Hyundai says that this is the ex-showroom price for the initial lot, and they might increase the prices as time goes on. Now, all these three engines are BS6 compliant. The 1.2 diesel with 75 bhp is the only diesel left now, or one of the few diesels left in the segment. So that is something which is there for everyone to think about. And in terms of looks, from the front end, it looks very similar to the Grand i10 Nios, and of course it is built on the same platform, so that's the reason why it's such a similar looking car. The interior is also very similar. The interior is also very similar. You get an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple's CarPlay as well as Android Auto. The seats also very similar, but of course the colors are a little different, and it does look very posh and upmarket. Now today, I will not jump inside the car and show you the interiors because I'll reserve all those things for the drive review, and the drive review should come out after the 24th of this month, because if I show you everything today, then you will not see the drive review. Anyways, what do you think of the car? What do you think of the way it looks? And do you think that this is a better car than the Honda Amaze as well as the Maruti Dzire? You can let me know by clicking on this pop-out banner, and also you can let me know by filling up the comments below. So we'll show you the interiors now, and also let me know what do you think about the back design, because that is something which is splitting a lot of opinion. So let me show you the interiors, and of course after 24th we'll show you the full review of the Hyundai Aura.